Introducing the new WHP4000 Premium Auto Darkening Helmet by Sellstrom. Engineered with state-of-the-art blue lens technology, this welding helmet provides increased optics for true color vision, which results in higher quality welds. The fully digital design allows easy control of shade, sensitivity, delay, and grind functions. The shade control has two ranges, 5 to 9 and 9 to 13, offering more options with one helmet. The ADF is both solar and battery powered with an automatic shutoff and low-level warning. The controls are internal for maximum protection and comes complete with 3 convenient memory presets to store your settings for future use. These features, along with a wider viewing area, makes this our top-of-the-line welding helmet. All Sellstrom welding helmets meet ANSI and CSA standards, and we continue to invest in developing products for an extremely challenging environment. Find out more about our entire line of welding helmets by visiting sellstrom.com or sureworks.com/USA.